Hey Apple fans, iOS 26 Beta 2 just dropped, fixing the liquid glass UI and packing new features that'll blow your mind. Is this Apple's slickest update yet? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this iOS 26 glow up. iOS 26 Beta 2 tackles major liquid glass UI complaints, making the control center and notifications sharper than ever. Plus, it's loaded with new tricks for the App Store, journaling, and Apple Wallet. With a full launch coming this fall, wanna know what's new? Keep watching. Apple's liquid glass UI got flack in Beta 1 for readability issues. Developers call the control center nearly unreadable due to its semi-transparent overlay blending icons and widgets. Beta 2 fixes this with a refined background blur, making buttons and sliders pop. Notifications also got a sharpness boost, especially on bright backgrounds, though Apple is still tweaking. These changes make iOS 26 feel smoother. Sound good? Beyond UI fixes, iOS 26 Beta 2 brings some sweet upgrades. The App Store now has an accessibility section on product pages to highlight inclusive features. iPad users can sync the journaling app via iCloud for seamless note-taking. And Apple Wallet, it's got new order tracking capabilities to keep tabs on your purchases. Apple is setting the stage for the big fall launch. These updates show Apple is listening to feedback, making liquid glass not just flashy, but functional. With readability fixes and new features, iOS 26 is shaping up to be a game changer for iPhone and iPad users. The fall 2025 launch will bring even more polish. Could this be Apple's best iOS yet? iOS 26 Beta 2 is out now for developers, with a full release hitting this fall. Whether you're hyped for the sharper UI or loving the wallet upgrades, there's a lot to explore. Are you testing the beta or waiting for the final drop? Drop your thoughts below. And that's the scoop on iOS 26 Beta 2. Are you stoked for the liquid glass fixes, or is the new wallet tracking stealing the show? Drop your thoughts in the comments. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.